Do you have a small space in your family room or den, but you still want a great looking console table? I was, and that is why I was super happy to receive this console table as a gift from the brand to test out. So thank you so much to the brand for gifting it to me. I absolutely love this piece. It's very modern looking, very minimalist, which I love. My favorite thing about it is going to be these natural wood legs. It goes perfectly with my space. Now this does come in black as well, but I love the white. I find it's a clean, modern look. It goes great in my space. It is super easy to put together. So putting this together, everything comes labeled really nicely. It is packaged perfectly. There is no damage to any of the pieces. Super easy to follow the instructions and put it together. It takes maybe about half an hour to put together, and it is very well made in terms of the hardware that you use. The hinges here for the doors. It's got the magnets that go up there to hold it shut. I love the fact that you've got these hidden cubbies that you can put all of the things that you don't want seen in there, so you can store away lots of different things that you may have in your living room, from blankets to throw pillows to converters to all that stuff, to remote controls, anything that you need there. And then this shelf, this double shelf here, is great for, with the holes that you can fit all of your wires through to put whatever boxes you use for your TV channel. So love that as well. There's lots of space. The size in this is perfect. It's nice and small for a small space. The TV that I have on here right now is a 55-inch TV. It fits it absolutely perfectly. And it would fit probably up to 65, 70-inch TV would be fine as well. It maybe not if you're putting it on top of it. If you're putting it on top, it'd probably take up to a 60-inch TV, I would say, maybe 65. On the wall, you could go a little bit bigger, but if you're mounting it, this TV I do plan to mount, but I just haven't gotten around to doing it yet. So, but the height is absolutely perfect as well. For when you're sitting on the couch, it is great sight line right across, so height is perfect. Like I said, I really love these wooden legs on the bottom, and I love the fact that it has a center one, so it just gives you that extra security. It is very sturdy. It's not wobbly. Like I said, putting it together is super easy. Very well made piece. Highly, highly recommend it. I absolutely love this in my space. So thank you again to the brand for gifting it to me.